This industry is important to the Northeast. One, it's the history of the Northeast. I mean, way back in settlers' time, I mean, fish was caught here to salt and shipped back to Europe. The commercial fisheries in the Northeast is heavily to lobster, to scallops. There's multi-species fishing, which is your haddock, your ground fish species like cod, skate, redfish. There are different size boats. With a lobster fisherman, they may start with a small skiff with an outboard motor and just go and fish 100 or 150 traps, whatever they're allowed. That can get up into 120, 130 foot boats, bigger boats that are way offshore going scalloping or offshore lobster fishing or whatever. So the further offshore they get, the larger boat they'll need. It tends to be heavily regulated, just like farming. There is a lot of government testing, intervention, but they seem to just go with the flow, work with it, continue to make money, be profitable. Farm Credit serves commercial fisheries. By financing boats, we will finance gear loans, lines of credit. We can do longer term loans for shoreside facilities. We can do home loans. And the thing that kind of sets us apart from the banks is that we will structure those loans around their cash flow. So depending on the type of fishery they do and when their money is coming in, that's how we can kind of set up their loan. I had a customer say to me one time that he went to apply for an increase in his loan, and his lender said, well, your numbers for last year don't look very good, but let's wait till the first quarter next year and let's look at the numbers again. Well, the first quarter here in the Northeast is when nobody is fishing. So his numbers are going to look worse in the first quarter. So that was a banker who didn't understand fishing. He came to Farm Credit and we were able to put a loan together for him. When I came on almost 20 years ago, my customers were great in taking me out, really helping me to understand the ins and outs of the fishing business, and any new loan officer would get treated the same way and really learn what the industry's about and what their challenges are. The relationship starts right in the harbor. When I have referrals, it's a lobsterman will be talking about, I'm going to buy a boat, and someone will say, call Rob Horne. And so they'll call me and say, you know, so-and-so said I should give you a call. You're the guy to talk to. And I just found fishermen to be just like farmers. They work hard, they're up early, they put in long days, they're dependent on the weather, on a market that they really don't have any control over. So they just go out and they work hard every day, and they hope at the end of the day they make money to put food on the table and pay their banker. So I've just found the relationship lending that Farm Credit does is just great.